Hi viewers, today I am telling about the car insurance. How to buy a car insurance. When you buy a new vehicle, you mostly spend a fair amount of time comparing options to find the best ride at a fair price. Buying car insurance should work the same way, but many car owners skip this crucial step. Car insurance prices can vary widely by company for the exact same coverage. If you want to find the best car insurance for a responsible price, here how to do it. How to get car insurance in 5 steps. Gather your driver and vehicle information. Second, determine how much car insurance you need. Third, choose how to shop for car insurance. Fourth, buy any auto insurance policy. 5. Cancel your old car insurance policy. First, gather your driver and vehicle information. Here's the information you will usually need to start the process of finding the best car insurance. Basic information like the name and the date of birth for every driver on the policy, driving history for all drivers on the policy, including at fault accidents, traffic violations, and any completed safe driving courses. Driver's license information for every driver on the policy. Vehicle information include year, make, model, vehicle identification number, and current odometer reading. Your current insurance company if you have one, including your current coverage limit. Determine how much car insurance you need. This is the second step. Figure out how much car insurance you need. If you buy too little coverage, you could be wholly understand if you are not in an accident. Car insurance types to consider buying. Type of coverage, what it pay for. Property damage and injuries to others such as their car repair bills and medical expenses. It also cover your legal expense if someone shores you because of an accident. Now, additional coverage types. Rental reimbursement insurance. If your vehicle is out of commission because of a problem covered by your policy, rental reimbursement insurance helps pay for your extra transportation cost such as rental car or subway fare. Gap insurance. If you have a loan or lease, gap insurance will pay the gap between what you owe on the car loan and the depreciated value of the vehicle if it is totaled by a problem covered by your policy, such as car crash on fire. Roadside assistance insurance. If your car breaks down or get a fault on the side of the road, roadside assistance insurance pays for services such as a tow truck, jump start, or locksmith. Third step, choose how to shop for car insurance. The next step is to compare car insurance quotes from multiple insurance companies. Car insurance rates can vary a lot from insurers to insurers from the exact same coverage. You can get free car insurance quotes in many of these ways. Auto insurance direct from the insurers. You can contact a car insurance company directly over the phone. You can often also get quotes by going to an insurer's website. Car insurance comparison sites. You can get quotes from the third party websites that let you compare the rate from multiple companies. Car insurance from a captive insurance agent. Captive agents are professionals who work for one car insurance company. They cannot get your car insurance quotes from other insurers. Car insurance from an independent insurance agent. Independent brokers or agent can get you car insurance quotes from multiple insurers. Fourth, buy an auto insurance policy. Once you identify the company and coverage level you want, you can make an auto insurance application. Most insurers will offer up to a discount if you pay the full term upfront. If you do not want to pay in full, you can typically choose monthly installment. You might be able to get a small discount for using automatic withdrawals. When you buy a policy, the insurance company will send you a proof of insurance. If you are purchasing a new or used vehicle, most states requires proof of insurance before you can drive it offer the dealership lot. Fifth, cancel your old car insurance policy. If you already had insurance for your current car, you can transfer coverage to your new vehicle by calling your insurers. If you are switching car insurance companies, make sure your new coverage is active before cancelling the previous policy. You will generally get a refund for the unused months on the old policy. If you cancel auto insurance before the new coverage is effective, your vehicle will be uninsured. Uh, this can have serious legal and financial consequences. If you get into a car accident, you will have to pay for all damage and expenses out of pocket, and you could be tricked for driving uninsured. You may also have to pay more for your new policy, as a lapse in coverage can hike rates. What to look for when buying car insurance? Whether you are a car insurance newbie or an expert, here are some helpful tips worth considered when you are buying car insurance. Now you can the list of these tips. Thank you so much.